Footwork on chair. So we're gonna start with 2 heavy to 2 medium springs. The heavier you go, the more advancement. From here, you remember your pedal, the flat part toward the chair seat is where the ball mounds of the feet are gonna find. 3 options for hand grip. Handles, pressing down into the lats. If it's a beginner, I would totally choose this choice. Or if you just have the Wunda Chair without handles, you're gonna press the palms firmly in to still get that engagement. And then from here, most advancement is arms hovering. Finding Pilates V, inhale, keeping the symmetry on both sides. Try to sit close to the edge of your seat. You're gonna pull your low belly in, pelvic floor connects on your inhale. Exhale, press down. Inhale, connect. Exhale. Exhale. Finding the length through the crown of the head. Remember, if they're only feeling their thighs, really try to tell them to engage their pelvic floor, pulling their belly up and in like an elevator as they push down and up. Last 2. Great. 1 more. From here, we hold. Option, parallel, pressing down and up. Heels, pressing down and up. External rotation wide. Pressing down and up, same amount of reps, and then rotation inward and internal knees stay together the whole time. And that's footwork on the chair.